Adopting minimalist habits for a stress-free year. Minimalism is more than a trend or aesthetic. It's a mindset and lifestyle centered around intentionality and simplicity. By adopting minimalist habits, you can reduce stress, focus on what truly matters, and create physical and mental space for joy and purpose. Whether you want to declutter your home, streamline your schedule, or simplify your thoughts, embracing minimalism can lead to a transformative and stress-free year. This comprehensive guide explores the principles of minimalism, its benefits, and actionable habits to integrate minimalism into your daily life. You'll be equipped with practical strategies to cultivate a calm, purposeful, and fulfilling year by the end. Understanding minimalism is minimalism. Minimalism is the intentional pursuit of less to make room for more meaning, focus, and fulfillment. It's not about deprivation, but about eliminating distractions and excess to prioritize what aligns with your values. Core principles of minimalism. 1. Intentionality. Every action, possession, or commitment should serve a purpose. 2. Simplicity. Embrace ease and clarity by reducing unnecessary complexity. 3. Value-driven living. Focus on quality over quantity in all areas of life. The benefits of minimalism. 1. Reduces stress. Clutter, whether physical, mental, or digital, creates stress. By simplifying your environment and commitments, you reduce overwhelm and anxiety. 2. Enhances focus. A minimalist lifestyle eliminates distractions, allowing you to focus on your goals and priorities. 3. Saves time. Less clutter means less time organizing, cleaning, or searching for things. A streamlined schedule also frees up time for what truly matters. 4. Improves financial health. Buying less and focusing on essentials saves money and reduces financial strain. 5. Promotes mental clarity. Minimalism encourages mindfulness and intentionality, fostering greater self-awareness and peace of mind. 6. Strengthens relationships. You can invest more energy and time into meaningful connections with fewer distractions. Minimalist habits to adopt for a stress-free year. 1. Declutter your physical space. Your physical environment significantly impacts your mental state. Cluttered spaces can create stress, while organized and intentional spaces promote calm and clarity. How to start? Tackle one area at a time. A drawer, closet, or shelf. Use the KonMari method. Keep only items that spark joy. Adopt the one in, one out rule. For every new item brought into your home, remove an old one. Habit. Dedicate 15 minutes daily to decluttering. 2. Simplify your wardrobe. A minimalist wardrobe saves time and reduces decision fatigue. Steps. Create a capsule wardrobe with versatile, high-quality pieces. Donate or sell clothes you haven't worn in the past year. Stick to a neutral color palette for easy mixing and matching. Habit. Every 3 months, review your wardrobe and remove unused items. 3. Streamline your schedule. An overloaded schedule leads to burnout. Simplify by focusing on priorities and cutting out unnecessary commitments. Steps. Use a planner to visualize your week and identify time wasters. Say no to activities that don't align with your goals or values. Block out time for rest and self-care. Habit. Each Sunday, review and streamline your weekly schedule. 4. Reduce digital clutter. From overflowing email inboxes to excessive screen time, digital clutter can be overwhelming. Simplify your digital life for better focus. How to start? Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails and delete old files. Organize your digital folders and streamline apps. Set daily screen time limits and establish phone-free zones. Habit. Dedicate one evening weekly to digital decluttering. 5. Practice mindful consumption. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering, it's also about being intentional with new purchases. Steps. Before buying, ask, do I need this? Will it add value to my life? Avoid impulse buys by using a 30-day rule for non-essential items. Focus on quality over quantity. Habit. Keep a wish list and revisit it monthly before making purchases. 6. Simplify your meals. Minimalist eating reduces decision fatigue, saves time, and promotes health. Steps. Plan meals and stick to a shopping list. Rotate a few staple meals that you enjoy and can prepare quickly. Buy in bulk to minimize packaging and trips to the store. Habit. Meal prep every Sunday for the week ahead. 7. Adopt a morning routine. A streamlined morning routine sets a calm, focused tone for the day. Example routine: wake up at the same time daily. Drink water and stretch. Spend 10 minutes meditating or journaling. Review your priorities for the day. Habit. Keep your morning routine simple and consistent. 8. Prioritize quality over quantity. Minimalism encourages investing in fewer, higher quality items that last longer and serve you better. Examples: invest in durable kitchen tools instead of cheap gadgets. Choose meaningful experiences over material gifts. Habit: when making purchases, prioritize longevity and value. 9. Limit social commitments. Minimalism in relationships means focusing on meaningful connections and avoiding social burnout. Steps: prioritize quality time with close friends and family. Politely decline events that don't align with your values or energy. Set boundaries to maintain balance. Habit: schedule one meaningful social interaction weekly. 10. Practice gratitude. A gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering contentment and reducing the urge for excess. How to practice: keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for daily. Reflect on how your possessions, relationships, and achievements contribute to your well-being. Habit: end each day with a gratitude exercise. 11. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking divides your attention and reduces efficiency. Minimalism promotes single tasking for better focus and results. Steps: prioritize tasks based on importance. Use time blocking to allocate focus periods for each activity. Eliminate distractions during work sessions. Habit: dedicate 25-minute intervals to focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. Pomodoro technique. 12. Embrace minimalist mindfulness. A minimalist mindset involves being present and intentional in your actions and thoughts. How to practice: start the day with mindfulness meditation or deep breathing. Focus entirely on one activity at a time, whether eating, walking, or working. Reflect on your intentions and values regularly. Habit: spend 10 minutes daily practicing mindfulness. Overcoming challenges when adopting minimalist habits. 1. Fear of letting go. It's natural to feel attached to possessions or commitments, even if they no longer serve you. Solution: focus on what you're gaining: clarity, space, and freedom rather than losing. 2. Overwhelm. The thought of decluttering your entire life can be daunting. Solution: start small. Tackle one drawer, shelf, or habit and build momentum. 3. Social pressure. Friends or family may not understand your minimalist choices. Solution: communicate your reasons and focus on leading by example rather than convincing others. 4. Relapsing into old habits. It's easy to accumulate clutter or overcome it again. Solution: regularly revisit your minimalist goals and habits to stay aligned. The long-term benefits of minimalist habits. 1. Greater peace of mind. Simplifying your life reduces mental clutter and stress, fostering a sense of calm. 2. Improved productivity. A minimalist approach to your schedule and workspace enhances focus and efficiency. 3. Financial freedom. Intentional spending reduces unnecessary expenses, helping you save and invest in what truly matters. 4. Deeper connections. Minimal allows you to prioritize meaningful relationships over superficial interactions. 5. Increased fulfillment. By focusing on what adds value to your life, you cultivate a sense of purpose and contentment. Key takeaways. 1. Minimalism is about intentionality. Focus on what truly matters by eliminating the excess. 2. Start small. Adopt habits gradually to avoid overwhelm and build lasting change. 3. Prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in relationships, experiences, and possessions that align with your values. 4. Consistency is key. Regularly revisit and refine your minimalist habits. 5. Enjoy the journey. Minimalism isn't about perfection. It's about progress and creating a life of meaning. Conclusion: adopting minimalist habits can lead to a stress-free year filled with clarity, focus, and joy. By decluttering your space, streamlining your schedule, and practicing mindfulness, you can create a life that aligns with your values and priorities. Start small, stay consistent, and embrace the transformative power of simplicity. Minimalism isn't just a lifestyle, it's a path to living with intention and purpose.